Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Miatone BoomPro wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to reset the Bluetooth pairing history on this speaker. Now there's not a full factory reset on this speaker, but we can have it erase all of its Bluetooth pairing history so that we can then pair it more or less like we're pairing it as a new speaker. And what this will help us do is if it's stuck paired to the wrong thing, or if we're having pairing issues where it keeps disconnecting or it's not pairing to the right device or things like that, this can very often help. So all we need to do is with the speaker on, we're just going to come in and press and hold this button above the power button for 2 full seconds. And after 2 full seconds, if it's connected to anything, it will automatically disconnect it and it will automatically clear all of the pairing history off of this speaker. So then we're going to go ahead and turn it off, and then we're just going to press and hold for 2 seconds on the power button to turn it back on. It will automatically go into pairing mode like it's brand new coming out of the box. We can go to our phone and then go ahead and set it up like a brand new device. I hope this helped. Let me know if you have any questions, and if it did work for you, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.